Are you looking for a luxurious condo, a 39th floor oasis with an amazing $1 million view?
Welcome to our new listing, 3-bed, 3-bath, almost 1,300 square feet of living space in the world-class neighborhood of Brentwood.
This unit really has beautiful double-sided doors that transitions inside and outside, and we can't wait
to give you a tour.
And here is your expansive deck that's 600 square feet for private use for you and your family. I absolutely love the porcelain tile flooring. This deck is also covered. You've got these beautiful soffit panels and a ceiling radiant heater, which creates a beautiful ambience for you and your family. You're also on the 39th floor with an expansive view of the city. And this is 360-degree wraparound deck. This home is perfect for you and your family. And as you move into your indoor space from your outdoor oasis, this space is so flexible. You can transition this from either your dining or living room. We have this set up with a dining room here with the backdrop of the West Coast view, so you could really entertain and enjoy an amazing view at the same time. You also have the living room here, which really creates a beautiful ambiance. Just imagine cozying up, watching a movie, and really entertaining and enjoying any time of the year. And here is your luxurious kitchen, the heart of the home. This island I absolutely love. You have these beautiful white quartz countertop with a sink in the middle. What's great is look at these beautiful hidden kitchen cabinets with a sleek fridge in the inside. All of these are Bosch appliances. And for those of you who love coffee, you have this espresso machine. This is what I mean by elevated living here. You also have this so much storage, and each one of these have these sleek storage systems that you can really utilize and have so much storage space. Of course, you have a 4-burner gas range included in your maintenance fees, plus a Bosch fan. And of course, you have a built-in wall oven with a Panasonic microwave and a built-in dishwasher here as well. This is truly luxury defined. Every bathroom is luxury defined. You got amazing tiles, floor to ceiling, with beautiful, elegant feel. This is your true spa oasis. You've got a bathtub, a soaker tub, and this is really one of a kind for you and your family to enjoy.
Retreat to Master Ensuite, where you'll wake up with the stunning views every day in the morning. This spacious sanctuary features walk-in closet, which is perfect for all your clothing needs, providing you ample storage space. As you move in from your walk-in closet, you're equipped with this ensuite bathroom, which has his and her sink, a standing shower, and a soaker tub.
The second bedroom offers its own ensuite bathroom, providing privacy and convenience, while the third bedroom is perfect for family members or guests. Both rooms are equipped with ample storage space to keep everything organized and tidy.
This home also offers your own laundry room, which has modern appliances, plenty of storage, making your everyday chores more convenient and efficient.
Smart living reaches new heights at Hillside Crest. Intelligent thermostats learn your preferences, optimizing energy efficiency, ensuring your home is always at its best. Live Interior's smart design storage solutions in kitchens, bathrooms, and closets make every space as functional as it is beautiful.
Enjoy the array of modern amenities with well-equipped gym, private movie theater, 24 hours of concierge service, touchless car wash, and a business center.
This area is truly one of a kind. Amazing Brentwood is just around the corner. You've got Skytrain. This area is pioneered by the award-winning developer Concord Pacific, where this is a master plan community where there's going to be an elementary school, park, and everything is truly at your doorstep. If you want to take a look at this amazing property, feel free to contact either one of us. My name is Denise Mai.
And this is Malika Wadera.
And we're more than happy to set up a private viewing with you.